Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, casting your music from your phone to a speaker, TV or even soundbar is one of the best ways to fill a room with sound. But when casting stops working, whether it's with Chromecast, AirPlay or Amazon Cast, it can be incredibly hard. The icon is there, but no devices show up, or the connection keeps dropping. So in today's video, I will show you the most common reasons why casting fails and how to fix them so you can get your music playing on the big speakers again. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, we want to check Wi-Fi network. Casting requires your phone and the casting device to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure you go through your phone Wi-Fi settings and know the network name. On your casting device, TV, speaker or whatever, check that it's connected to the exact same network, not just network like 5 GHz versus 2.4 GHz variant. Also, restart your router by unplugging your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Then restart your phone and casting device, and then try again. You can also restart your phone and casting device by force closing Amazon Music on your phone, restart your phone, unplug your casting device, if it's TV, speaker, whatsoever, for 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Then you can easily reopen Amazon Music and try casting again. Also, make sure you are fully updated using the latest version of the app. As I just told you, also check for any firmware updates on your casting device, if it's Chromecast, Smart TV, whatsoever. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.